Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup tutorial on this smoky burnt orange eye makeup look. So if you want to see how I created it and what products I used, then please just keep on watching. So for this eye makeup tutorial, I'm just going to be using one eyeshadow palette, which is going to be the Morphe 15D. It's got these really nice warm orangey tones, which I'm absolutely loving. So I'm just going to be creating this orangey smoky eye with this palette. So I'm going to start by taking the shade Natural. This is a perfect warm crease shade for this look. Taking that right into the inner corner of the nose, right out to the brow area as always. Just doing like small circular motions to help me blend out the edges. I'm then going to grab Upbeat and apply that into my crease as well. I'm going to focus this more at the top and in the centre because I want to make my eyes a little bit more like rounder. So if I start at the top in the centre, and then I can gradually see where the shape is going to be. So ordinarily I would bring this right out here, but today because I want to make my eyes look a lot rounder, I'm going to bring it very, very close and right into that crease line. Same with the inner corner, taking that right in. I'm then going to grab in the crease, which is like a really nice orange, and I'm going to apply that again in my crease. So basically applying it where we just laid down that last shade. So again, starting in the centre. And this is just really building up the layers so you can really see the shape going right into that eye socket. I'm just going to take a clean brush just to help blend those together. I'm then going to take a pencil brush and pick up the shade Editor. I'm using the Zoeva Luxe Petite Crease 231 brush. Just applying this more onto my lid, but still blending it into that crease. Just so everything's nice and blended together. I'm then going to take a flat shaded brush and pick up the shade Sweet, and I'm going to pack this onto my lid. It's like a really nice chocolate brown. So I'm going to take that on my whole lid. I'm then going to go back to my blending brush and just blend that all together. And then if I need to pack on some more shadow, which I probably will, I'll go in with that after. Going back to my blending brush and blending that out again. I'm then going to take my pencil brush again and go in within the crease, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. I'm then going to go ahead and grab the shade Editor and again run that under my lower lash line, but this time just taking it 3/4 of the way in. Then lastly applying the shade Sweets, which is the darkest shade that we applied on our lid. Applying that really, really close to the lash line. Really working it in there and then blending it out. For mascara, I'm going to be applying the Clinique High Impact Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. And then for false lashes, I'm going to apply the Ardell Wispies. For lips, I'm going to be applying this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Loyalist 05. So this is it, this is the finished result. I all hope you enjoyed this burnt orange smoky eye makeup tutorial. I love how it turned out, and I love like orangey, burnty, like anything smoky and like warm kind of tones is like really for me, like I love them. So I all hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also don't forget to click on that notification bell down below so you'll be notified every time I do new videos.